You might have noticed in the store that they have menthol added to nasal spray, and notice that it works a bit better. So to save some money, you can add your own menthol crystals. Now, they're very potent, so you don't want to add very much. The percentage that I found was about 0.025% concentration by mass was pretty good. I went all the way up to 0.046%. And that burned a little too much. Now you'll probably want to grind it in a glass mortar and pestle. A metal one, especially a new metal one, will leave little pieces of metal in it and you'll end up with a gray powder instead of a white powder. So get a scale that measures down to 0.001 grams. These can be found for about $20 on Amazon. If you want to make your own saline spray, you need some pure water and some non-iodized salt and some baking soda. The recipe will be at the end. The recipe is for 8 ounces, but if all you're doing is adding a little bit of menthol to your 1 ounce nasal spray, then you only need 74 milligrams. Good luck, and don't make it too strong. It really burns.